Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of spreadsheets, trying to figure out employee salaries, taxes, and deductions? Payroll can be a real headache, right? It's time-consuming, complicated, and if you make a mistake, well, let's just say the consequences aren't pretty. So, if you're already using Xero for your accounting, you might be wondering, does Xero include payroll? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Payroll is a critical part of any business, big or small. Getting it right is essential for keeping your employees happy, staying compliant with tax regulations, and, frankly, keeping your business afloat. But the traditional ways of handling payroll, manually calculating everything, filling out endless forms, and making separate payments are incredibly inefficient. They're prone to errors, they eat up valuable time you could be spending on growing your business, and they can be a real source of stress. Now, Xero is a hugely popular cloud-based accounting software. Many businesses use it to manage their finances, from invoicing and bank reconciliation to expense tracking and reporting. It's known for its user-friendly interface and its ability to streamline a lot of financial processes. So, it's a natural question to ask. Does Xero handle payroll too? Is it an all-in-one solution for your financial needs? The short answer is yes. Xero does offer payroll functionality. However, it's not quite as simple as just saying it's included. There are a few important nuances to understand. Xero's payroll capabilities vary depending on your location. They offer payroll services in several countries, including the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and the US. But the specific features and functionalities are tailored to the tax regulations and legal requirements of each region. So, the payroll features you get in the UK will be different from what you get in the US, for instance. Let's break down what Xero Payroll generally offers. First and foremost, it automates a lot of the tedious tasks associated with payroll. You can set up employee profiles, input their salary information, and Xero will automatically calculate their pay, including deductions for taxes, Social Security, and other contributions. This eliminates the need for manual calculations and reduces the risk of errors. Xero also handles the generation of payslips. These can be easily distributed to your employees, either electronically or in print. This saves you time and effort compared to creating payslips manually. It also provides a professional and organized way to present payroll information to your staff. Another key feature is automated tax filing. Xero can automatically calculate and file your payroll taxes with the relevant tax authorities. This is a huge time saver and helps ensure that you stay compliant with tax regulations. The specific forms and filings that Xero supports will, again, depend on your location. Beyond the core payroll functions, Xero often integrates with other aspects of your accounting. For example, payroll expenses are automatically recorded in your general ledger, giving you a real-time view of your business's financial performance. This integration can be a huge advantage, as it eliminates the need to manually transfer data between different systems. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can access Xero Payroll. In some regions, payroll is built directly into the Xero platform. If you're in one of these regions, you can access payroll features directly from your Xero account. It's often an add-on subscription, meaning there might be an additional cost on top of your core Xero subscription. In other regions, Xero integrates with third-party payroll providers. This means that you'll use a separate payroll service, but it will connect seamlessly with your Xero account. This approach can be beneficial if you need more specialized payroll features, or if you're already using a particular payroll provider. Xero has a marketplace of apps that integrate with its platform, and you can find various payroll solutions there. So, how do you find out if Xero offers payroll in your region and what the specific features are? The best way is to visit the Xero website for your country. They usually have dedicated pages for payroll that provide detailed information about the features, pricing, and supported tax forms. You can also contact Xero support directly. They can answer your questions and help you determine the best payroll solution for your business. One important thing to consider when choosing a payroll solution is compliance. Payroll regulations are complex and they vary from region to region. It's crucial to choose a payroll provider that is compliant with the laws in your area. Xero, because it tailors its payroll features to specific regions, generally takes care of this for you. But it's always a good idea to double-check and make sure you understand the regulations that apply to your business. Another factor to consider is cost. As we mentioned earlier, Xero Payroll might be an add-on subscription, or it might be included in certain plans. If you're using a third-party payroll provider, you'll need to factor in their fees as well. It's important to compare pricing and features to find the most cost-effective solution for your business. Finally, think about ease of use. Payroll can be complicated, so it's important to choose a system that is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Xero is generally known for its intuitive interface, and its payroll features are designed to be as straightforward as possible. But it's always a good idea to try out a demo or a free trial before committing to a payroll solution. So, to summarize, does Xero include payroll? Yes, but with the caveat that it depends on your location. Xero offers payroll functionality in several countries, but the specific features and availability vary. In some regions, it's built directly into the platform, while in others, it integrates with third-party providers. The best way to find out about Xero Payroll in your region is to visit the Xero website for your country or contact their support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.